Welcome to Pohanka Chevrolet, the leading Chevrolet dealer in the Virginia area. We're a member of the Pohanka Auto Group, serving residents of Northern Virginia and D.C. since 1919. We're proud to offer you a great deal on the vehicle you're about to see. The Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. An amazing 312 horsepower and an EPA estimated 29 miles per gallon highway. That's the output of Camaro's 3.6-liter direct injection V6 engine. An available 6-speed automatic transmission equipped with steering wheel mounted tap shift controls allows clutchless manual shifting for power when you need it. And when you don't, then there's the 6.2-liter V8 engine in the Camaro SS that makes apologies to no one. Start with the seats. Always a good barometer of quality and attention to detail in any car. The deep dish steering wheel is powerful and fits perfectly in your hands. 2 boldly lit gauges flank a helpful driver information center display. A low-mounted 4-pack of auxiliary gauges, standard on 2LT and 2SS, look cool but also give you instant feedback. Perfect for a car that doesn't like to wait. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, the 2011 Camaro has got it all. Great service, great selection, and low prices. That's why Pohanka Chevrolet is a great place to buy a car. Call us now for more information on this vehicle or visit today. We're conveniently located at 13915 Lee Jackson Memorial, Route 50 Highway in Chantilly.